Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna learn how to turn off blur on Reddit on your iOS device. Now let's begin. Simply go to Settings on your iOS device and scroll down till you find Reddit. Well, I have found Reddit, so simply click on it. Now it will give us various options. You can turn on off live activities, you can turn on off back refresh, you can allow tracking or not, it's completely up to you. But the main thing that we are focusing on right now is Reddit settings and NSFW content. On the Reddit settings tab, you can see two options, that is show NSFW content 18+ and blur NSFW images. Both of them are toggled on. If you don't want to see NSFW content on your Reddit account on your iOS device, you can simply turn off this button, click on this and toggle it off. Similarly, you can blur NSFW images. If you don't want to, you can toggle this button off as well. And the opposite is also true. If you want to show NSFW content, toggle this button on. And if you want to blur NSFW images, turn this button on. And for the Android device, you simply need to click on the avatar that you will find on the top right corner of your screen. Now once you have clicked it, a sidebar will open and you need to scroll down over to Settings, simply click on it. And if you scroll over to the View Options section, you will find something like Show NSFW content, I'm over 18, Blur NSFW images. The idea is the same, you can simply toggle it on off as per your wish. And that's it guys, that is how you turn off blur on Reddit in both Android and iOS. Hope you guys like this video. For more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe.